Hello guys, in previous video we had seen the sliding mesh gearbox, but in this session we are going to study the 3-speed constant mesh gearbox here. 3-speed, the gearbox which gives the three different ratios of this speed here. As usual, you know that it consists of clutch shaft, lay shaft, and on the clutch shaft clutch pinion is provided, and the lay shaft main drive gear is provided. Lay shaft once again second gear, first gear, second gear and reverse gear are provided. Idler is provided for the reverse gear, and the main difference between sliding mesh and constant mesh gearbox is, in constant mesh gearbox the gears are always mesh with each other, but they are not transmitting the power. But in the sliding mesh gearbox, whenever we need the power, at that time we are sliding the gear, which gear we need. First gear, slide the first gear, second gear, slide the second gear. But in the constant mesh, always the gears are meshing to each other on the lay shaft and the main shaft, but they are not transmitting the power, just they are rotating on their shaft, they are not transmitting the power here. So as usual, first gear it transmit the power from clutch pinion to the main drive gear on the lay shaft to the first gear on the lay shaft C it is, and it is meshed with the D on the main shaft, and power is transmitted when the D is engaged by the dog clutch here. Next, it is a first gear. It is second gear. So from the clutch shaft to the lay shaft to the second gear E, which is meshed with the F gear on the main shaft, and power is transmitted here. Two speeds over this. And third is top gear. The main shaft is directly connected to the clutch shaft here. Main shaft is directly connected to the clutch shaft. It is 1:1 ratio. That is why three speeds we are getting here: first gear, second gear, and top gear here. And reverse gear, one idler gear is used in between the lay shaft and the main shaft. Along with the two gears are provided: reverse gear and the reverse gear on the main shaft and lay shaft here. So first ratio, we are going to calculate the gear ratios in the 3-speed constant mesh gearbox. First gear ratio, first gear ratio GR1 it is. So as usual, on the basis of speed of clutch pinion divided by speed of lay shaft main drive gear, it is NA by NB into first gear transmit the C to D here, so NC by ND it is. Then this is on the basis of speed. On the basis of teeth, it is TB by TA into TD by TC it is. So similarly, second gear ratio, clutch shaft to the lay shaft to the E gear on the lay shaft to the F gear on the main shaft here. So that is why similarly GR2, gear ratio 2 is NA by NB into NE by NF it is on the speed. So teeth TB by TA into TF by TE. So these are the two gear ratios, and top gear is 1:1 it is, because the main gear is directly connected to the clutch shaft it is. So reverse gear ratio here. So once again, the power coming from the engine to the clutch shaft to the lay shaft to the reverse gear on the lay shaft, then idler to the reverse gear on the main shaft here. So here NA by NB here, NA by NB into NR divided by NR divided by NI. Once again, NI divided by NG. Here, when you simplify this equation, NI get cancels. NA by NB into NR divided by NG here. So on the basis of teeth, TB by TA into TG by th. This is the gear ratio of reverse in the 3 speed constant mesh gearbox. Thank you everyone.